Have you ever wondered how assembly line robots work? Let's take a look at the fascinating world of industrial robotics. From automotive plants to electronics assembly, robots are the backbone of modern high-volume manufacturing. Industrial robots are programmable machines designed to perform specific tasks with high consistency and endurance. They handle hazardous, monotonous, or overly complex tasks that require speed beyond human capability. To understand them, we must look at three core components: the manipulator, the end effector, and the control system. The manipulator, or robotic arm, acts as the skeleton, providing the reach and degrees of freedom required for movement. The end effector is the business end of the robot, equipped with grippers, welders, or tools customized for the task. Advanced sensors and vision systems allow robots to see parts, detect defects, and adjust their path in real time. But how does the robot know what to do? It all starts with programming and control. Engineers teach robots movements through CAD-based software or by physically guiding them through the motion sequence. A programmable logic controller, or PLC, acts as the brain, coordinating the robot with other factory machines. This integration allows for the execution of repetitive, high-stakes tasks with millisecond precision. When a product arrives on the line, the cycle begins. Sensors identify the product's position, signaling the robot to engage its movement routine. The arm moves with mechanical precision to complete the assembly task before returning to its starting position. Continuous feedback loops ensure every unit meets standards. If a fault is detected, the robot can alert the system immediately. It is this sophisticated blend of hardware and logic that defines modern industrial automation. Ultimately, these machines exist to enhance human productivity through unmatched speed and accuracy. As technology evolves, the factory of the future is already here, continuing to reshape what is possible in manufacturing.